Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question, can anyone see your Google Photos? So, by default, your photos and videos in Google Photos application are private and only visible to you. But no one can access to them, but you can share your photos and then somebody can see them. So, how to check it? You need to open Google Photos application, then click at your profile icon at the right top, go to the Google Photos settings, then sharing, and manage sharing activities. So right here we have shared links, and if you don't want to share it, just click at the trash icon near to it and then click delete. Also, we have shared memories, the same, and conversation. So you can enter into conversation and you can leave this conversation if you don't need it. You can check what you share here. Click at the three dots at the right top, then click sharing, and near to you will have the button leave. Just click at this button and click leave. You can also check sharing settings, but right here we have only location, so you can also remove to share location, photo location. You can add some people, but we don't need it. Also, right here in shared links, we cannot check shared links for the albums. So how to check it? You need to go back, then click at the collections at the middle bottom, and right here you need to click at the albums and check is you share these albums. Right here, as you can see, okay, for example, this album, I can option to share the link to this album, but with this cable album, I have right here, or I already shared it to some account. So again, you have settings, so you can change it, and right here you have the information you share your photos with this account. So you can also remove it. You need to click at the three dots near to this account and then click remove person. And you need to check all your albums. Did you have some links here? And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.